today I'm going to show you how you can get to Seesaw from any browser window. So I'm going to open up a new browser, and the kids can easily do this by going to www.clever.com, and then they can log in as a student, and their school is Teasley Elementary, so they would type that in. And it's going to give them two options. They can log in with Clever or they can log in with Active Directory. This is the symbol for Microsoft, and they have an account through Cobb County School District. So they need to log in with Active Directory. And I'm just going to pretend that I am a student in our class. I'm using the same login I use for CTLS Learn. And it's going to take me straight to Clever. This is great. There are a lot of resources on here. It would be great for you to just go through this with your child at some point anyways. But Seesaw is down at the bottom, and they don't need any codes to get in. Like, it's embedded in their Clever account. So they click Seesaw, and then boom, they're in our class. This is where all of their assignments go. You can see that this student has uploaded some work. I also upload every week. I upload a log to show the student's progress. So that is right down here. You can see the student, she's doing really, really well. Green checks are things they're doing well. If they don't have a green check, that doesn't mean they're not doing those things well. It just means that I didn't see it as much. The green checks are just like my praise. And then at the bottom, the blue checks are showing you that those are assignments they need to complete. Maybe they're working on them now, but it's just letting me know right now it's not turned in. So that's Seesaw, and that's how you get there.